Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now here we see how we can make our first row as header in Power BI. So just right click here, and as you can see, use first row as header. Just click on this and your first row will be converted into your headers. Or you can do it from here also, use first row as headers or use headers as first row. If I want to this row as I don't want to use it now, use headers as first rows. So now it will be it came into the previous position, and now I wanted it in the previous. Now use first row as the headers. So now this is the way we can do both the things from here and from just right clicking from here.